you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhania and this is my first video of 2021. So wishing you guys a very happy new year. Now, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button as we are soon going to reach 500 subscribers. I'm also planning for a giveaway on reaching 500 subscribers, so do also follow me on Instagram to participate in that. As the title suggests, this video is about product empties and mini reviews on them, if they worked for me or not. Now there are products in this video that I'll repurchase again and again, but also there are products in this video that I'm never gonna purchase and definitely not taking forward it to 2021. So do watch this video carefully if you're planning on buying them. I would also like to give one disclaimer is that if a product has not worked for me, that does not mean that all the products from the same brand will not work and vice versa. And also I do not intend to cancel any brand here whatsoever because I'm definitely not into the cancel culture. And the last disclaimer is that if a product has worked for me, it does not necessarily mean that it will work for you and vice versa because we know skincare and hair care is very subjective. So these are just my personal experiences with the products. Now this video is going to be a very long video because I literally have 29 to 30 product empties to show you all. I might also divide this video into two parts if it becomes super long, but if not, grab some coffee, sip some water and stay hydrated and definitely enjoy this video. Okay, so I have divided this video into three categories, which is skincare, hair care and body care. And I'm definitely going to start with my favorite, which is skincare. So yes, let's get started. I will start with toners. Now, I don't include toners until and unless it's not giving me a mild chemical exfoliation or helping me with acne or also giving me a hydrating component on my skin because I have got super dry skin. So the first toner I would like to talk about is Body Shop Vitamin E Toner. Now you can see it's completely over and this has vitamin E and wheat germ oil. This was super hydrating for my face and like you can see I've used like pura boond khatam kar diya hai maine iska. So yeah, it was super good for my face and my skin loved it. So if you're looking for a hydrating toner, you can definitely give this a try because this is also an alcohol-free toner and it literally never broke me out. Now the MRP of this toner is 795 rupees and you're getting 250 ml of this product, which is a lot. Like it took me forever to finish because I was also using other toners. So yes, if you belong to my skin type, you can give this a try. Moving on to the second toner now, no surprises here. It is Green Tea Toner by Pure by Priyanka. Now I know I have spoken a lot about this toner on my Insta story and my other videos. So you already know my take on this. I love this toner and I legit have finished 2 bottles of this. If you want to know in-depth detail about this toner, I will link my video in the description box below. You can check that out. But as of now, I can say that I already love the product and it has got witch hazel and also 2% salicylic acid. So if you're looking forward to a mild chemical exfoliation, like you just want to start, then you can definitely give this a try. Now it says use day and night after cleansing, but I will not recommend you to use it twice a day. Once in a day is more than enough for this toner because it has also got 2% salicylic acid. So let's just not overdo it. But other than that, anytime I'm having those small tiny bumps or pimples or like acne, I switch to this toner. Even my brother is using this and that's how we finished like 2 bottles. So if you're looking forward to a mild chemical exfoliation and you're just a beginner, you just want to start with it, you can definitely give this a try. But again, do patch test anytime and every time you apply a new skincare or hair care product. Now the third toner is Scent Botanica Vitamin C Face Mist. Now you can see that a lot of product is left in this bottle and by now you can already guess that my skin did not like it. Okay, now this product just did not work for me and it has got fairly good ingredients like it has vitamin C, it has witch hazel, it has lemon peel, aloe vera, turmeric and sandalwood. I gave this product so many chances and I applied this so many times. I mean, every single time I applied this product, it broke me out so bad. I don't know why, but Scent Botanica as a brand just does not work for me. And like, I tried their vitamin C face mist, it broke me out. I tried their sunscreen, it broke me out like crazy. I don't like that sunscreen at all. I also tried their shampoo and conditioner, it made my hair so dry. So yes, if something from Scent Botanica has worked for you, do definitely comment in the section below. Moving on to the face scrub, and the first face scrub I have for you is Cocosol face scrub. Now this has got Virgin King coconut oil, vanilla and sandalwood. If you have watched my all about physical exfoliators video, then you know that this has made to my top 5 physical exfoliators list. I really like Cocosol as a brand, and I think they are doing a fab job because first of all their no-no list is so long. Now talking about this scrub in particular, this is a super gentle scrub and it gets rid of the dead skins very easily and also brightens your face. So yes, if you're looking for a good and gentle physical exfoliator, you can definitely give this a try. Moving on to the next product is a face wash from the same brand, that is Cocosol. I had actually bought the face wash and the face scrub together, but I cannot find the face wash in my empty stash. So I cannot really show you the product. But again, the face wash was super gentle and it has virgin coconut oil and it was very hydrating to my face. So again, a yay for the brand. Moving on to the second face scrub is from the brand VLCC. Now this is the Frangipani and Oatmeal Scrub. Now this is a kind of scrub that I will never recommend you guys to use. It says it is a gentle exfoliating scrub, but the particles are really harsh and you should never use such particles on your face. Now these are the kind of scrubs that I had mentioned in my physical exfoliators video to not use at all, because these are the scrubs which will cause micro tears on your skin and you will be compromising on your skin barrier and a lot of things explained in the video. So do watch the video. I will link it in the description box below if you want to know anything about physical exfoliation. So yeah, this product is a no-no for me. The next category is face pack, and this is from Blossom Couture. Now this is their Oxy Reviving Overnight Sleeping Pack. You can see this tube looks completely new and unused because it has literally got nothing in it. It says it is a Oxy Reviving Pack which restores and lightens. First of all, they've used the word lightens. And the second thing is that they have literally mixed aloe vera gel and lavandula essential oil and made this an Oxy pack. Guys, just use a simple aloe vera gel if you want to get something like this. The MRP of this product is rupees 395, and trust me, in rupees 395 you will get a lot better aloe vera gel, and this is of literally no use. In fact, not even my money. I don't know when and how did I get this and if I had bought this long time back. But yes, I just wanted to tell you all about this product. So yeah, just buy a good aloe vera gel and you will be good to go. Next, moving on to the next category is moisturizers slash day cream slash night cream. So the first moisturizer that I want to show you all is Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. I love this product and I don't even know how many tubes of this I have finished. So I've got super dry and sensitive skin, and in winters my skin is again like super dry. So nothing but this saves me each and every winter. And this moisturizer is so good. It's like you're applying butter on your face. The consistency of this product is just amazing. How much ever this Cetaphil moisturizer you apply, your face is not gonna look dull. At the same time, it hydrates your skin very well. Like you have got super flaky skin or super dry skin like mine, you can definitely give this a try. In fact, there's one friend of mine who has got oily skin and she also uses this and it completely suits her and does not break her out at all, because first of all, it is non-comedogenic and it is non-irritating. It won't clog your pores. It's hypoallergenic, and it's also like it says it is long-lasting intense hydration for daily use, and it's true. It's true, guys. I also know there's one more moisturizer by Cetaphil which is their DAM hydrating lotion, if I'm not wrong. But I have never tried that, and that's more of a hydrating lotion. Like the consistency is thinner than this. But yes, again, I've heard great reviews about that too. So soon I'll give that too a try. But this is my holy grail product. Moving on to the next moisturizer, which is from the brand Mom's Co. Now this is their natural Vita Rich face cream. Now it has got a lot of vitamins, which is vitamin C, B3, B5 and E, and it also has hyaluronic acid. The cover of this moisturizer broke after I got this, like after a month or so. It worked fairly good for me. However, it says it helps with anti-pigmentation and even skin tone. So on that part, I would like to say no, I had not noticed any changes regarding anti-pigmentation or such. But yes, if you just want a simple moisturizer which is not too heavy, because the consistency of this moisturizer is very runny and it again hydrates your skin. But again, do not expect it to do much. It's just a simple moisturizer like Cetaphil. But definitely Cetaphil is my holy grail product and I would any day prefer Cetaphil above this. So yes. The next face cream is a night cream and this is by the brand Wow. Now this is their anti-aging night cream. Obviously this is not used by me, but this is used by my mom and dad. So according to my mom and dad and according to what I had noticed on their skin, it did nothing. It literally did nothing. They have used 2 tubs of this. It just worked as a moisturizer. First of all, they do not list all of their ingredients on the packaging. Second, they also have a sticker called "Hope this product has met your expectations." No, it did not. So this is definitely a no-no. There are far better products in the market within the same price and that actually work, and I will not recommend this. Moving on to the next category, which is the most important category, and you must have guessed it by now, it's sunscreen. The first sunscreen is from a very controversial brand, which is the Mamaearth Ultralight Sunscreen. Now, regardless of the controversies, I really like this sunscreen. Now, this sunscreen has carrot seed and turmeric, and it has got SPF 50 and PA+++, which is very important. This is the first tube which is already over, and there's one more tube in my stash which is again about to get over. It again has no white cast and did not break me out ever since I'm using this. However, I will not recommend this to oily skin type people because I feel it's super hydrating for my skin and it might be too heavy for them. But otherwise, if you belong to dry skin category or normal skin category, you can give this a try. Every time you move out of your house, you definitely need to wear sunscreen. In fact, you even need to wear it indoors, which is my next product. But if you're moving out of your house, you need to have at least SPF 50 in your stash. The next sunscreen is from the brand Pure by Priyanka. Now this is their mineral sunscreen with SPF 30. Now I have cheated a little here, that is I have not finished the product completely, but you can see I've already hit the pan. This has SPF 30 and this is the reason I use this as my indoor sunscreen and I use SPF 50 as my outdoor sunscreen. But please do not skip sunscreen, be it indoors or outdoors. Since it is a mineral sunscreen, it has zinc oxide, it has titanium dioxide, and it carrot seed oil and rice bran starch. It also says it is for all skin types, but again, I will not recommend this to oily skin type people because I feel it is a nourishing sunscreen. But for dry skin type people, it's an amazing product. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope you got something to take from this video. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. I will see you in the next video. Bye!